Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. In that we'll see exercise 7.1. We already done for a few questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So here Karan can walk a distance of 2.1 kilometer in 30 minutes. We have to find the time taken by him to cover a distance of 5.6 kilometer. So now let us see this table. So what is the distance and the time is given. So distance and time. So this will be x and y. So this is 2.1 kilometers. So you will write it here. And 30 minutes. So this is in place of time. And you have to find that time. So we don't know. So this is y. So this will be y1. This is x1. So this is going to be x2. And this, let us consider this as y2. So we don't know the time. So that will be y2. And the distance is given as 5.6. We'll write in place of this one distance 5.6. So now this divided by this, that will be x1 divided by y1 is equal to x2 divided by y2. So this is x2 and this is y2. So now we will cross multiply here. 2.1 into y2 is equal to 5.6 into, this will go on the other side, that will be 30. So y2 is 5.6 into 30. This is multiplication, it will get divided. So this is 168 divided by 2.1. So this 168 as it is, 2.1, we can also write this one as 21 by 10 to remove the decimal for the easy calculation. So this as it is, so this will get flip over, that will be 10 by 21. So 21 ones are, 21 eights are, so this is going to be 80 minutes. So that will be 1 hour and 20 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minutes plus this 20 minutes. So that will be 1 hour and 20 minutes, so 80 minutes. So we can say time taken to cover a distance of 5.6 kilometers is 1 hour and 20 minutes. A worker is paid rupees 680 for 8 days of work. If he works for 26 days in a month, what will be his salary for that month? Again, this will do in the form of a table. Wages and the days. So wages are X and this is Y. So wages is paid 680 and the number of days is 8. So this will be X1. This is X2. This is Y1 and this will be Y2. If he works for 26 days, so we don't know the salary of that one. That is the wages. So this divided by this one. So 680 divided by 8. This is going to be X2 divided by 26. Again, this cross multiply 680 into 26. So this will be 8 into X2. So this will come here. That will get divided. That is X2. So here will be 85 into 26. So that will be 2210. That is rupees. That is X2. So his salary will be rupees 2210. The total cost of 18 packets of washing powder, each weighing 1.5 kilogram, is rupees 1242. You have to find the cost of 14 packets containing the same washing powder, each weighing 2 kilogram. So for 18 packets, so the cost and the weight. So for 18 packets, that is 1242, but that is weighing 1.5 kilograms. So 1.5 into 18, that is going to be 27. This will be in one column. The other one, we don't know the cost. Let us consider this as X2 because this is X1, this is Y1, this is X2 and this is Y2. There are 14 packets that are containing the same washing powder, each weighing 2 kilogram. So here 14 into 2, that is going to be 28. So we don't know the cost here. So this divided by this one, so this will be X1 by Y1. So 1242 divided by 27 is equal to X2 by 28. So cross multiply this one. So here will be 1242 into 28, that will be X2 into 27. So 1242, this will get divided is X2. So this will be divided by 27 is X2. So this should be 1288. So we can say cost of 14 packets is weighing 2 kilogram is rupees 1288. If 25 men can dig a canal of length 62.5 meter, how many men will be required to dig a similar canal of length 155 meter? So here this is men and that is the length is given as 62.5 meter and we don't know here how many men will be required for a canal of this length is 155 meter. So this we are going to consider x1, y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Again, this x1 by y1 means this will be here, this part will be here. So cross multiply it. So that will be, after cross multiplying, this is the same. This will get divided, that is x2. So this is the same. 62.5 we can make it, we can remove the decimal by dividing it by 10. So this is the numerator as it is. This will get flip over, so 10 will go in the numerator and 625 stays as it is. So 25 ones are 25, 25 are 625. So again, this simplifying this, you get 31 here. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is going to be x2 will be 62. So we can say 62 men will be required. In the map drawn to a scale of, this is the scale given. You have to find the distance between cities. If the distance between the cities is 11 centimeter, you have to find the actual distance between the two cities. And if the actual distance between the two cities is 250 kilometer, what will be the distance in centimeter between these two cities on this map? So 1 centimeter of map, so 1 is to this one, so that is given that this is in centimeter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, and if we convert this into centimeter, so that will be, because you know this one will be 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so this will be 1 into 1000, so 1000 this will be into 100, so that is going to be, this will be in centimeter after multiplying this one. So now what will you do? For 1 centimeter on map is this much, so for this one will be, you have to convert it to kilometer. So 1 kilometer is this, so this will be this divided by this one, so that is going to be, after simplifying this, that is going to be 400 kilometer. So now let us take this table, that is distance and the actual distance. So this will be x and y, so this will be x1, this will be x2, and this is x3, y1, y2 and y3. So for 1 centimeter, that is given as 400 kilometer. So now we have 11 centimeter, we don't know actual distance, and here is again, here is 250 kilometer, and we don't know the distance here. So now let us take this part first. So here x1 is 1, y1 is 400, x2 is 11, and y2 is, we don't know what is that. So now what will you do? X1 by y1 is y1 by y2. So here x1 is 1 divided by this 400. So y1 is given this as 400 divided by this y2. So now you are going to cross multiply this one. So after cross multiplying, 1 into y2 is 11 into 400. So now what we can do here? Y2 will be, because this one, when you divide it by 1, the answer is going to be the same, which is going to be 4400 kilometer. So actual distance is 4400 kilometers. So now what we can do here, this is actually, we have to find out this is A part and this is the B part. So now A part is done. So now we will go for the B part. If the actual distance is this one, 250, so now we will take this part. So now x1 is here 1 and y1 is 400, x3 we don't know, and this is 250. So this x1 by y1 is x3 by y3. So here again you will cross multiply. 1 into 250 is going to be x3 into 400. So 1 into 250 divided by this 400, that is going to be x3. So this, after simplifying, you get 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 means, now see here, 5 divided by 8. Because now this is a smaller number, you're going to put here 1 0. So here will be 0 point. So here 8 6 are 48. So this is going to be 2. Again here 8 2s are 16, and this is going to be 4. So here 0, 8 5s are 40. So that is going to be 0.625. That will be x3. So x3 is 0.625. So the distance on map, that is going to be 0.625 centimeter. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.